Welcome to Nitro Cars. Today, we go full throttle into the proposed 2025 Toyota Corolla. This manufacturing model remains today as one of the greatest pioneers within the compact sedan segment with references in design, power, and safety. The exterior of the 2025 Toyota Corolla looks more glamorous, classy, and has a touch of modern appearance. The Corolla has been designed with new front grille, LED headlights, has contours giving the vehicle an aerodynamic look, and it is stylish in the city as well on the highways. Additional features include 18-inch alloy wheels and aerodynamically enhanced body, particularly at the rear end. Inside, luxury and comfort are seamlessly integrated. High-quality materials, spacious interiors, and ergonomic design elevate your driving experience. The 10.5-inch touchscreen multimedia display, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensures all your needs are met. Performance-wise, the 2025 Corolla does not disappoint. Its 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine produces 169 horsepower and offers excellent fuel efficiency. The hybrid version provides an even more economical and eco-friendly option. The CVT transmission ensures a smooth and comfortable drive. When it comes to safety, Toyota has raised the bar with the Corolla. The Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 package includes advanced features like the pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control, maximizing safety for both the driver and passengers. It will be able to capture the beauty, power, and protection aspects all in the 2025 Toyota Corolla. Pricing is quite flexible depending on the particular trim level in question. To get acquainted with this famous model and have a possibility to make a test drive, visit your nearest Toyota dealer. If you like this video, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Nitro Cars channel. Until the next review, see you. Until then, drive safely.